Hi guys, a warm welcome to my live video. This is Sheila M. Bajaj and I'm gonna wait for people to come in. Welcome to my live video. Okay, I have one person on Facebook. More people, more people, more people. Hi everyone on Insta. I have more people on Insta than Facebook right now. Welcome to my live video. Today we're going to talk a little bit about Vesak. A lot of people, kitna confusion, baap re. Today I had the most phenomenal fifth dimensional healing. Hi guys, hi everyone. Hi Sapna, hi Sunandan. Lots of people on Insta today. Yes, today is full moon. Okay. So much confusion बाप रे कल के वीडियो के बाद मेरा दिमाग is just gone because today I had the most powerful fifth dimensional healing session. It's actually the biggest healing session I did for over 200 people. So welcome to my live video, guys. I'm clearing up some doubts that people have on fifth dimensional healing. What is fifth dimensional healing? Fifth dimensional healing is basically a very high form of healing. It's like a very subtle energy of divine love, divine power. All right, and it is, hi Parag, happy birthday. So it is a very, very powerful frequency and vibration of healing, and most divine healing is a different frequency and fifth dimensional healing is a different league. So it is an energy that's channeled from 12th dimensional beings. So hi everyone. Okay, so I'm gonna ask people to be generous and share this video. You're not getting a reading from this, but Manita Talwar, I did not come at 4:15. Darling, you were supposed to go to YouTube. I'm gonna clear up some doubts on this. कितना confusion यार. मतलब मैंने पांच दफा previous video में इतनी चीजें बोली, but nobody followed it, or rather very few people were following what's happening. So Pallavi says I'm looking exhausted. Also I went for candle service at the temple, Pallavi, but I'm not exhausted at all. I'm not exhausted one bit. Okay, so thank you Bipasha. Okay, so what is fifth dimensional healing? It's a very high frequency healing. It is an energy of very subtle love, divine power and wisdom, and it is, it is phenomenal to receive this energy. All right, and I did a session today for over 200 people. It's a mass healing session and I did it for over 200 people and it was pretty crazy. It was intense. I was so worried I'm gonna fry some people, and it was really, really intense. A lot of people did not have any expectations of the healing and they felt crazy things. They felt a buzz of energy. People were going all crazy. And some people who are newcomers will not feel. You will not feel anything. If you're a newcomer, you will not feel. And it's fine not to feel, because you sometimes when you're sensitive, sometimes when you're on a spiritual path, you're evolving, you're more aware of divine energies and subtle energies. You may not be aware of these energies all the time. All right, so give yourself that time. It's all right not to feel everything all the time. All right, I'm gonna ask people on this live video to be generous and to share this video on your page, on your groups, because this video is not about you getting a free tarot. It is just about also being an instrument of other people receiving guidance and to know what to do on full moon. So today is Vesak and it's celebrated by a lot of Chinese people. Okay, and it is the day, actually it's Lord Buddha's birthday. Buddha Purnima is what we call it in India, but in China it is called Vesak. Now Vesak is a festival where like people celebrate it in different ways. There are a lot of rituals that are done on Vesak. There are a lot of small rituals, invocations done on Vesak, but okay, I am not doing consults today, so sorry. Sorry guys, I'm not doing any kind of readings today. I'm just giving you all information about Buddha Purnima. All right, so Vesak is really the day when it is Lord Buddha's birthday. His energy comes to planet Earth on this day, and it happens at that time of 4:15. But this entire week is like a jackpot energy week, and it is a Diwali for a lot of light workers, healers, people who are tarot card readers, people who work with divine energy. So this is just one of those awesome times when you can avail, do meditation. People who don't want to get into healing, they don't know what it is, I suggested everyone to visit my YouTube channel. Okay, my YouTube channel is Sheila M. Bajaj. Go to my YouTube channel. There's something called a pink full moon meditation which was done last year. Please go ahead and do that meditation today. Do the meditation today. You're supposed to do it at 4 o'clock, 4:05, so that at 4:15 you are in your meditation. Some people understood my video, some people didn't. There was also parallelly, so that is free. That meditation is absolutely free, guys. I'm going to repeat this again. That meditation is free for everyone. No one gets charged for it, all right? मैं इतनी पागल नहीं हूँ कि some लोगों को मैं चार्ज करूँगी और some लोगों को फ्री पड़ा है YouTube पे. It is not a paid meditation. It is free for everyone. Parallelly, there's a fifth dimensional healing that I did. It's called a mass healing session that I did for all the people who follow me, who get healing from me. All right? And Anandita Bose says, today's healing session was superb. The energy of today's healing was just wow. Thank you so much for doing this for us. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Saloni, my toothache's actually gone. I'm supposed to go for an X-ray today. मैं नहीं गई. मैंने कल्टी महाराज. Janki says fifth dimensional healing energy is so powerful. Thank you. You're welcome, Janki. It is rare for me that my mind is not able to process anything today. Yes, it is fine. Subha Lakshmi says first time seeing you so early. Yes, because I wanted to talk about tonight. People should at least meditate tonight, right? Isliye I've come early live. Today's healing session was amazing and meditation was awesome. I'm so glad, Gokul, that you actually followed it. I'm very, very happy with people who followed it. All right. Venkata Saitaja Bura says, do we need to take BMR bath before the healing session? Yes, I'm going to give you the directions of what needs to be done, do's and don'ts, Venkata. You please follow it. All right. Healing session with the meditation was super amazing. Felt so overwhelmed. Thank you. That's Harleen. Yes, a lot of people. My God. Okay. Rajendra says, please include me in your next fifth dimensional healing. Rajendra, there's a link that Janki has pinned. Please go ahead and click on that. You will enter a group. You need to download Telegram before you click on that link. Please tell me, guys, if you all are stuck with that. So, okay. So, a lot of people did follow meditation. A lot of you guys did meditate. The meditation is free on YouTube. You were supposed to go there at Indian Standard Time, 4:05, so that at 4:15 you were in the meditation. But some of you didn't understand and you all were waiting for me to come online somewhere. A lot of people thought the fifth dimensional healing is going to be live on Facebook. Unfortunately, if I am going to be talking to you guys on a Facebook video, how am I going to focus on healing? So am I supposed to be focusing on the Facebook video and talking, or am I going to be healing you guys? Not happening. I'm dyslexic, remember? So I can't be talking and I can't be like, I have to be 100% focused on the fifth dimensional healing, guys. I can't come on Facebook. I can't do like a Zoom call. I'm sorry. So for people who think that it is a live video or a Zoom call, it is not. I cannot be communicating with you guys or talking. I can't keep you engaged. So the whole deal was, you will do, how do you recharge after recharging people? Thank you, Richa. Thank you for asking that question. I'm gonna answer that in a bit. So you had to do the meditation at 4:05. At 4 o'clock, we started the fifth dimensional healing so that you were doing both together. So it's only the fifth dimensional healing session that has a fee, that has an energy exchange, which is 600 Indian rupees. All right. So people who were hoping, and some people thought that I charged them a 600 to go into the free meditation. No, you still received the healing. All right. So what is the procedure to follow? So there is one more healing session for people who missed it. You missed the jackpot 3-minute time of the energy of Lord Buddha descending on planet Earth. You missed that jackpot time. If you missed it, it's fine. You can still get the energy today. It's the most powerful spiritual energy in the entire year. Buddha Purnima comes once a year, so you can still join it again. It's at 11 o'clock. We do the session today at 11 o'clock. So join that Telegram group. First you need to download the app. Please listen carefully, guys. You need to download the app. Alright, Telegram is the app. Sogandas, I'm not gonna engage in quantum physics conversations. Fifth dimensional healing is different. Alright? Okay, so you need to download Telegram. Click on this link, which is the Telegram link. It's also on my page. Okay? And then there are instructions there to follow. You need to have a BMR salt bath. If you haven't had a BMR salt bath, then you need to have one. People who have already got one session of healing can also rejoin the next session. It's like today is the yummiest energy. Okay? Yogita says, I would advise everyone to go to the paid healing. Thanks a lot, Sheila. You're welcome. Today's session was wow. Thank you so much, Kirti. But you've also gotten a few sessions, which is why you could feel it. But even people who can't feel it, they still receive the energy. ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर आपको महसूस नहीं हो रहा कि आपको healing नहीं मिल रहा है. You are still receiving the energy, alright? Okay, Ruchi says, when is the next session? It is tonight at 11 o'clock. Tonight is 7th May at 11 o'clock, 11 p.m. So you can still get it. And this is a jackpot week. It's even though it's the waning moon after today, but it's still the Vesak week. So it is still a very, the Buddha Purnima week. This week has very exalted energies. So, you know, getting fifth dimensional healing even in the next 3 days would be really, really awesome. Ishani says, when you do the session tonight, 11 o'clock. Okay. So, I hope everyone got it clear. I'm going to repeat it again, just in case people get zoned out. You have to go to YouTube. There's a pink full moon meditation. I'm wearing a pink top in that video. Please do that meditation whilst you get the fifth dimensional healing session. The fifth dimensional healing session is, there's an energy exchange which is 600. The full moon meditation on YouTube is free. And everyone who doesn't want to participate also in the fifth dimensional healing, it's fine. Just meditate during whatever time. And you can meditate at any time. There's no timing per se. But during the fifth dimensional healing, I'd like you all to do the meditation. Alright? Monica says, did the full moon meditation, got so emotional, felt so light, it was amazing, thanks a ton. Awesome. Nehal Shah says, how to join tonight's session. There's a link here that Janki has pinned. It's a Telegram group, so download Telegram and click the link. Alright, so you can join today's. 11 p.m. Indian time. Yes, Savita. Can we do normal Tej Patta ritual and burn? Okay, that's another question about what we can do other than the okay, Pragya says, okay, now I'm getting mixed up with all the questions. The link isn't working, Sony, because you haven't downloaded Telegram. Alright? Okay, so apart from the fifth dimensional healing and the full moon meditation, which is on YouTube, there is also a manifestation ritual that happens in my center, which is done by Ria. There's also a prosperity ritual done by Ria. Alright? Details of that are found on a different Telegram link which is called Intensive Bay Leaf Ritual. Alright, someone can post it here. So you all can participate in that if you want a specific manifestation to be done. That's a more advanced ritual. Okay, now if you want to do something just yourself, please get a Tej Patta. Get a normal Tej Patta. Write down with any color pen, purple, red, blue, kuch bhi ho. Write down your wish on a Tej Patta. Burn it. Go to the balcony, blow it out, and intend for all the angels, the universe to manifest it for you. Today is a great day to do that. Okay, Shruti says it was really nice to do pink full moon meditation. Thank you, ma'am. You're welcome, Shruti. And I suggest everyone to do the pink full moon meditation on YouTube. Don't do it from Facebook because there's lots of blah blah in the beginning and lots of blah blah in the end. There's lots of talk and you get distracted. So I've kind of clipped the video so that you're able to do that later. Okay. You're 21, Surya Namaskar, and you're so motivating and inspiring. Thank you for all the true guidance. Your healing and rituals are absolutely magical. Thank you so much. Okay. तेज पत्ता नहीं है तो जाके खरीद लो रिचा. मैं आपको नहीं दे सकती तेज पत्ता. आपको फिगर आउट करना पड़ेगा. नेबर से बोरो करो, खरीद लो, डंजो करो. पता नहीं, मतलब ग्रोसरी स्टोर में जाके खरीद लो. So Tej Patta is absolutely important for your manifestation ritual. All right, you can't do it without Tej Patta. I'm sorry. So Richa saying सब बंद है, फिर borrow करो. I don't know. I don't have a solution for that. I'm sorry. I really don't. I can tell you what rituals to follow, but I don't have solutions to दुकान बंद है वाला problem. While I was doing your full moon meditation, I suddenly slept. Can I do it again? Yes, Richa, Jane, you can do it as many times as you want. Now, okay, so there's no limit on how many times you can do fifth dimensional healing or the meditation. Any amount of energy is good for you, all right? For example, you're getting this energy, you're doing the meditation, write down your wish on a piece of paper and put it between your hand. If you're meditating too much and there's too much good energy coming into you, it'll start manifesting your wish in your hand. Energy flows through you, through your chakras. So you can't have too much positive energy. Really, you can't have too much divine energy. We live very, very, very starved energy lives. So how much of a meditation or healing we get, it's still too less. You know, in the earlier days, we did so much of self-care and so much of like, we had this kind of lockdown life earlier. Do you guys agree? Our life used to be like lockdown life. People who come from my generation, matlab, anyone who's above 35, 40, you know, our life was like lockdown life, and we had like outdoor games and we went and played outside and all that. So, you know, the universe and the cosmos kind of recharged us more than what we channeled outside. So, you know, the depletion wasn't so much. Today, because we have a stressful job, stressful relationships, children, ye, wo, juggling, ye, wo, tandav karke, we get exhausted, we are depleted, we've gone to minus. It's like taking 1 2 crore loan. Okay? You're like on minus levels of energy. So how much of a fifth dimensional healing you get, how many of a full moon meditations you do, it's less. Trust me, it's less. So do it as many times as you want. You can't have too much. You can't have overdone it. If you get a headache, just jump around and you'll be fine. Okay, there are 2 full moon meditations, pink full moon and Vesak Buddha Purnima. So there's no meditation in the Vesak Buddha Purnima on YouTube. It's just lots of talk explaining what to do today. The pink full moon, super moon meditation is what you're going to follow. All full moons, you can do the pink moon meditation because you're essentially getting the energy from the moon. All right. Awesome. Manvi Kaleda says, I try to meditate at 4 a.m., try to concentrate, and I see Ganesha eye or Shiva third eye. What does that mean? Okay, I'm not going to give you meanings on Facebook, but I'm going to suggest that you can get a reading done, a proper reading with one of our tarot card readers, and they will tell you the significance of all of this. All right. Many thanks for your guidance and ever helping hand. You're welcome, Raghavendra. We missed you during the healing. Ma'am, I installed, somebody's calling me Mama instead of ma'am. Mama, I installed Telegram. Still, I'm not able to open the link. Still, please help me. Okay, I'm not sure why it's not working. It's working for everyone. So you'll need to figure out why does it not work. Else you can ping Janki. Maybe she can add you to the group. But can't find your link. Janki has posted it here. Okay? Can you repeat cinnamon ritual, please? No. We're not doing any other confused stuff, guys. Please don't confuse me and confuse yourself. We're not going to talk about 1,000 different topics here. Okay, Sparky Ran says, we did Tej Patta ritual, blue candle rituals on Instagram. So first time we've done this, all thanks to you. Awesome. Did the full pink full moon meditation and doing chakra meditation every day. So proud of you, Chitra. Good for you. I love people who are committed to themselves. Which bath am I talking about? Okay, you need to take a salt bath. If you have BMR salt from my office, then please use BMR salt to have a bath so that at 11 p.m. you'll receive healing. Why do I tell you to have a salt bath? Because you remove all the kaka energies from your aura. All the kachra energies from your aura. Thought forms, negative energies, projections, jinxes, nazar, pata nahi kya ganda energy. all of that goes away, and then you're kind of like just soaking in all the good stuff. Okay, so just do a BMR salt bath. Reena says, I did meditation today with help of your pink full moon with my 12-year daughter. It was very awesome. Even she loved it. Awesome. I'm so happy you're making your children meditate. Where should I keep the paper filled with wishes? It doesn't matter. Burn it and blow it in the thing, in the hawa. Okay. Ma'am, would you come online tonight? I know you would be tired today. Reshma, I am online right now. मैं अभी लाइव हूँ, मतलब मैं रात को फिर से नहीं आऊँगी. So I don't know, like, you guys are crazy. I came here to tell you guys about the fifth dimensional healing and what you can do. And if anyone missed doing the full moon meditation, please abhi karo. Okay. Dr. Priya Darshini says, I was part of the 5D healing meditation today. I had a great experience. I could sense the tingling, the goosebumps, energy around, and felt relaxed and positive. Thank you so much, Sheila. You're so welcome, Dr. Priya Darshini. Can you please tell us cinnamon ritual? No cinnamon today. Should we do something? Before the bay leaf ritual, salt bath. Shailaja? Okay. Are there any more questions people have about the fifth dimensional healing? Guys, you just need to download Telegram. Alright? You need to download. Okay, can I use alternative salt? You can use Senda Namak. I came to know of a very sad news and I'm devastated. I have a tough time. Okay, I followed your chakra meditation at 4 p.m. for 40 minutes and it was great. Awesome, Shweta. I'm so glad you did it. Okay, so Chanda Shinde says, sad news and I'm devastated. Have a tough time. Okay, so I'm going to suggest that you get help from someone from our center. We have 3 tarot card readers. If you need someone to talk to or need a reading or guidance done, you can get it done from them. If you think you don't want guidance, you just need some help energetically, you can participate in the fifth dimensional healing, or you can get a chakra healing from one of my healers. That's a more one-to-one session. Fifth dimensional healing is a mass healing session. Okay. So Reshma says, even I'm doing chakra meditation every day when you don't come on live. Awesome. Yes, you can use normal salt, but it's not as great. What does it mean if I feel like crying, tears flowing? During meditation, it's a release of emotional blocks and it's a good thing. Alright? What time do we have to do full moon meditation? Anytime, Shruti. Anytime. There's no bidding, darling. What about the bidding? Is the bidding over for today's 11 p.m. reading? There's no 11 p.m. reading. And there's healing at 11 p.m. on my fifth dimensional healing group. You can join the group. You can opt for the healing. Okay, now I'm going to scroll right down. How do you spell Sydney salt? Senda Namak, not Sydney salt. Senda Namak, which is the pink Himalayan salt. If you don't have that, then you can probably use table salt, which is a white salt, but it's not as good to have a salt bath. Not great. Okay, not Sydney. It's Senda. Sendha. Senda Namak. Okay, it's used during upas and like fast and stuff like that. Noon headlong was really good. Appreciate and good luck. May you get remedy in healing. Thank you, Poonam. That's awesome. So did salt bath in the morning. Is that fine? Do the bay leaf ritual in the night. Okay, so the bay leaf ritual that I generally talk about in all my videos that you should do is for removing all of your kachra energy, like really bad energy. I'm not going to suggest you to guys to do that today, because today is a day of magnifying the positive stuff. So the only thing that you're going to do is do the bay leaf manifestation ritual, which is the Tej Patta writing wala ritual. Alright, Tej Patta writing manifestation ritual. Let's call it that. Bay leaf ritual is the one with the bay leaf ritual kit, and it's got all the onion and the garlic and the hing and pepper, and it's one biryani. So we'll call that bay leaf biryani, okay? We'll call this manifestation ritual. Okay. Till when can we do the pink full moon meditation? This Vesak asking for the 3rd time. I guess there are too many comments. Moitri, I've already said that you guys can do it anytime, and you can do it until whatever time tonight. It doesn't matter, because even today is considered full moon. So do it, I mean, I don't know, till 12 o'clock in the night. Okay, because the ideal time to have done it was 4:05, so that at 4:15 you're in the meditation. But it doesn't matter, since you missed it anyway, you missed the bus. Is it the same as red rock salt? I think the pink salt, I haven't seen a red rock salt. Is there any particular time to do manifestation ritual? No, you guys can do it anytime. And if I get the same questions again, guys, I'm not answering it. I'm going to ask you guys to go back to the video. आप कभी मेरा नेम करेक्शन नहीं बताते. मैं लाइव वीडियोस पे कभी भी नेम करेक्शन नहीं बताती. मैं एनालिसिस कभी कभी करती हूँ, बट करेक्शन कभी भी नहीं बताती, बिकॉज करेक्शन इज लाइक सम सीरियस स्टफ. वो लाइव वीडियोस पे इट्स नॉट फेयर टू डू करेक्शंस ऑन अ लाइव वीडियो. Okay, does anyone have any questions about everything that we spoke about? On bay leaf with purple color pen, Harpreet Kaur. You can write it with any color pen, I already mentioned that. And for people who are asking questions, I would suggest that you go ahead and see the entire video and then ask me your questions. Tell me it's okay to do candle ritual with cinnamon but forgot olive oil. That's fine. Absolutely fine. Okay, chakra meditation is available on YouTube? Question mark. Yes. Chakra meditation and pink full moon meditation is available. Today I suggest pink full moon meditation for the 100th time. Madam, how can I get an appointment? Please call my office 9900120034. Shruti Shah says, can we do bay leaf ritual today? Not the bay leaf banishing ritual, जिसमें हींग and all that डलता है, not that. Please do the bay leaf manifestation on the tej patta. What to do if the ashes fall back? Okay, have a salt bath after that. If you're doing manifestation, it doesn't matter. Alright, how to approach you for knowing name correction? Please call my office, sheila.com. You'll find our contact numbers, or 9900120034. Sogan Das says, your information is clear. Sogan Das, you will be so surprised with the 100 million questions I got on that 5D healing group, which is why I'm doing this right now. So guys, for all the people who missed the 4 o'clock meditation, it's still full moon. Alright, and for people who did that, they want some more energy, they want to channelize, like you want a full tank of petrol, you can still participate in the 5th dimensional healing. Alright, some people feel it, some people don't. It's fine not to feel anything. Don't make yourself wrong. The first time I learned healing, I didn't feel anything. मैंने सोचा किसी ने बुद्धू बनाया. ठीक है? It's fine not to feel anything. Yes, Neelu, thank you for understanding. She says, God bless you for repeating it so many times. Unnata says, looking pretty. Look at me. I look like one mess today. But ठीक है, if you're saying I look pretty, I'm happy. What are the changes we can expect post a 5D healing? I don't know. It's a very subtle, high frequency, high vibrational energy. Everybody is different. People become more loving. Their emotional blocks are removed. We have so much kachra in us that it takes some time for all that kachra to get released and for us to start vibrating at a higher level to attract better things. Okay, I'm going to explain something to you guys. Okay, vibrational energy is one of the most important concepts that I want to explain to everyone. When you vibrate at a certain frequency, everything in this planet, alright, everything in this planet vibrates at a certain frequency. Okay, so negative emotions vibrate at a lower frequency. Fear, doubt, anger, rage, fury, hate, all very, very low frequency. Now love is one of the highest frequencies. Everything vibrates at a different frequency. Alright, so when you get something like 5th dimensional healing, when you meditate, when you do certain things which are, when you do some divine work, you start vibrating at a more positive frequency. Something as simple as you get yourself a bottle, don't have drunken monkey on it, just a plain bottle, and you have love written on the bottle. Okay, just get like a red pen or a red marker, like a permanent marker, and write love on the bottle. The frequency of this water will change. Water responds to words, to energies like that. I asked a lot of people during the 5th dimensional healing to keep water next to them and whenever you feel low, you can actually drink it. All right. Not, you don't need to have it today, but you can have it in days to come. But you keep it in a dark place so that it doesn't go rancid, it doesn't get, affected. So the whole concept of vibrational energy is whatever vibration you are at on this scale, that's what you attract in your life. If you're attracting lousy, shitty things in your life, trust me, you're vibrating at a very low level. And it's happened to me. It's not like, I've been on this, like, I'm some Mataji and I've always been in this high frequency. No. There are times that when I vibrationally hit rock bottom, then all this kachra starts happening. I start attracting lots of kachra. And then I kind of cleanse, detox, and I release all that. But from time to time, I work on my energy levels on a constant basis. All right. So the moment you start lifting your vibrations from this really, really bad level to a higher frequency, you start to attract better things in your life. So if you have kachra wave frequency, you'll attract kachra things. If you attract if you have a wow frequency, you attract wow things. So fifth dimensional energy is a pure, high vibrational love frequency. Most people feel very joyous and happy, elated, positive. Stay in that zone. Like, keep yourself there. Someone tries to rattle you, push them away. Don't allow anything to, like, sit in your little 5D bubble. Create yourself to have like a little 5D bubble. Don't allow anyone to burst your bubble. Alright, it's not worth it. Don't allow anyone to burst your bubble. I don't give anyone the power to burst my bubble. Could you cite the huge moon around 7 p.m? No, darling. I was busy doing candle service at the Temple of Miracles. For people who don't know, on the 5D healing group, on the Telegram group, you can also know more about the first Yoruba temple in India. Okay, Harpreet says, I did the pink moon meditation. It is awesome and I feel energetic and lighter. Thank you, Harpreet, for your feedback. Awesome that you did it. How to use pink salt for bathing? Just like take a shower, mix in salt and water. Okay, just take the salt in your hand and just use it like a scrub. That's good enough. And intend for it to disintegrate all your negative energy. Water has memory and does magic. Yes, it does. Water absorbs energy. So if you've ever had a fight with a bottle of water in your room, take it and throw it away. Please don't drink that water. Toxic water. I like the way you talk and explain. Your energy is contagious. Thank you. Thank you. So sweet. Okay, how do we pay for the 11 p.m. fifth dimensional meditation? No. Fifth dimensional healing, not meditation. Meditation is free on YouTube, guys. Free. Muft. Like free on YouTube, okay? No charge for the meditation. It's available to Janta, public. Anyone can do it. Okay, share it with anyone. Share it with whomever you want. Anyone can meditate on full moon, on Vesak, and get the yummy energy of Vesak in their life. Anything for banishing bad spirits and entities today? No. We're not banishing anything today. We're only working with very, very powerful, strong, yummy energies. Okay, how do we join fifth dimensional healing on Telegram? There's a link that Janki has pinned right now. I don't know if other people can see it, but I'm also going to post it. It's also on my Facebook page. If you just go to my page now, Sheila M. Bajaj. Guys, if you're watching this video, the first thing you need to do is go and like my page. Okay, facebook.com/Sheila Bajaj M. And please like my page. If you haven't liked it, then you won't be able to see everything else on the page. So please like the page. And once you like the page, the first, second, third, you'll find the link. Fifth dimensional healing link is everywhere. सब जगह में मैंने डाला है. मतलब ऐसे हो ही नहीं सकता कि आपको मिले ना वो link, ठीक है? So please click on that and then you'll know 11 p.m. is the healing. Can we keep a plastic bottle also or copper bottle? I don't have glass bottle. It works with a plastic bottle, but I really like glass. The glass bottle really works. Get one of those milkshake wala bottles. You know, doodh wala bottles. Nowadays, everyone's giving you those glass bottles. What if somebody is surrounded with negative people? Then you need to ask them to get out of the house. Like, I don't know why people choose to be negative. मुझे ना समझ नहीं आता why people function from that negativity. Like, what is the joy or the kick they get? मुझे समझ नहीं आता. Ma'am, word embrace was coming again and again during the healing meditation. Any significance? Maybe embrace your situation, Anu. Some people say name change does not help. Some say it does, as names can be written in different languages, so the number changes. Hindi or numbers different, English numbers different. Pythagoras takes number 9, others don't. Okay, this is the name correction that we study. We study the name in English and we're changing the vibration. I don't have an answer for you as to why it is not changed in another language. And name correction works. For whatever it's worth, some things we don't have an answer for. I wish we had an answer for it, but it still works. So Ritika, the name vibration, the moment you're adding a sound vibration to it, you're adding an alphabet to it, it works. Alright? Why we don't change it in other languages, I have absolutely no answer for you. I wish the father of numerology was still alive so I could go and ask him that, but he's not alive. So whatever we've studied and the different systems that are there around, one as a numerologist has to figure out what system is credible. Sometimes there is a combination of certain systems you use because of R&D and research and experience. So in the earlier days, I started with one system, then I moved to another system, then I moved to another. Then I realized, before I started like practicing on clients or doing consults, I kept moving, and then I realized from one system एक चीज अच्छा है, दूसरे system से दूसरा चीज, और तीसरा system में तीसरा चीज. So that's just how it is. Everyone learns through their trial and error. All right, and it's your own R&D and your own experience with clients, with understanding, with your own businesses, with like certain examples, you kind of figure out what works and doesn't work. Similar for Feng Shui and Vastu. I've studied Feng Shui, I've studied Vastu. There are some things of Feng Shui I feel are like wow, some principles of Vastu I find wow, and I kind of marry the two. So that's why I call it SMB numerology, Sheila M. Bajaj numerology. Because there are some things, like I don't go with the color theory at all in numerology. Itna bakwas hai actually, I'll tell you. I'm just admitting it. It's like, whichever system you look at, ये color वाला system ना मुझे समझ नहीं आता. क्योंकि in all the systems of numerology, ये unlucky है, वो unlucky, and it is not unlucky for me. And the Chinese people have a different system. You have the Egyptians who have a different system. You have the astrology, which is a different system. So like the Vedic system is different. Then you have actually Chinese have a lot of different systems. So then there's the chakra system, which is like the 7 chakras. So every system is so different. I follow the element chart that I keep talking to you all about, the earth, fire, water, wood, metal. I go with that. Alright, I go with the element chart. And I find that is the most accurate way of knowing your lucky color. So much so that wearing your lucky color can bring you, because you might be wearing your money element, right? And it can bring you money like that. Like all you're doing is you've just changed your wardrobe to like green chaddi or like red chaddi. And I tell people, the missing element or your money element, just incorporate it in your chaddi. And suddenly you notice that my chaddi is bringing me money. So it is possible, guys. Your chaddi can be lucky for you. हो सकता है. Your chaddi can be your lucky charm. So I think I should like create a new hashtag. Make your chaddi your lucky charm. ऐसे कुछ. Shaila says, thank you so much for yesterday and today's healing. Was awesome energy. Doing the full moon meditation again tonight. Awesome, Shaila. And thank you for your feedback. What do you put in YouTube to access the 5D free meditation? Okay. Deepika, 5D healing is different. It's a healing session on Telegram. The full moon meditation is on YouTube, which is different, darling. Go back and watch this video and you will know exactly what I'm talking about. People are laughing, People are giving me like laugh emojis. Crazy. Like I'm actually saying, okay, Neelu saying chaddi buddy. Okay. We have awesome sarcasm. Use this day to the max. 5D healing, full moon meditation by you, manifestation candle, service at Temple of Miracles. Also received element chart from Janki. Blessed indeed. Awesome, Shaila. And I'm going to suggest again for people who are so receptive like yourself, pat yourself on the back, because it's your receptivity that makes you receive more, not what we are giving you. When you're willing to receive that much, like you're willing to receive a truckload, you'll receive a truckload. Depends on your capacity to receive, darling. So I'm also going to suggest people to chant Om Mani Padme Hum. Like, just sit in silence. Like, this is a time for you to feed your soul, feed your chakras, feed your energy body, feed yourself. This is a yummy time, yummy day. I did the full moon meditation from YouTube. It was amazing. I was on the terrace in the presence of Vesak moon. Awesome. Vaikari Hasnabis. Awesome. I want to read my tarot cards. Nivi Zaveri. Please contact Ekta, Janki or Ria. They read tarot cards, and you know, the next 3 days is so awesome to get your cards read, because you know, we are fed with those yummy energies, so our psychic powers are like all, you know, bubbling over and yummy and nice. So okay, I'm going to see. Tanya says, thanks for the session today. It was very relaxing. What can I do on a day-to-day basis to keep the energy vibrations high? Awesome, Pooja. Instagram. I'm taking a question here from Pooja, and she asked the most amazing question. What do you do from day to day? You can get 5D healing anytime you want. You can participate on the group. You can do the chakra meditation every day to keep your energy vibrations high. Seriously. Something as awesome as that can be found free on Facebook. Please do that. Not Facebook, sorry, YouTube, on my YouTube channel, okay? Chakra meditation. Anjali Singh, ma'am, you are awesome, energetic to see you live in videos, also healing, filling me with positive energy. Thank you. Yeah, I have this, like, you know, एक पूरा बैटरी हमेशा चार्ज होता है. How can my name be changed? My name is Abhishek Agarwal. Okay, you need to get a name correction done, and then there's a way to activate it. We'll let you know about that. But you don't need to do an official name change. So Jeetu Das says, do we need to change it in certificate bank account? मैंने भी नहीं किया है, सच में मैंने भी नहीं किया है. मेरे दोनों बच्चों के लिए मैंने किया है, but me and my husband only change it on social media, and it works. It works magic. I tell all my clients because that's more important. Okay, Reshma Midha Chopra again says, one of my ardent followers, I love you, Reshma. Ma'am, I have my sister who's very negative. Please do take this up later. How to take care of yourself to stay away from people negative really harm us. Okay, the first thing is create a bubble of energy around you. You're not going to find positive people all the time. I also have negative people who surround me. But you shield yourself and you say, bhaad mein jao. You don't make them significant. You don't make them bigger than you. You don't give them a remote control to control you or your moods or your emotions or your crying or your drama or whatever. Don't make them important. Do you let the cockroach in your house make you upset? No, right? You just go and do put and kill it. That's what I do. I kill cockroaches. So don't make that person bigger than you. Don't make them significant. Don't make them so important. And don't give them the remote control to your emotions. The only person who should have the remote control to your emotions is you. Not anyone else. Not even me. Not even Sheila. You should carry the remote control of your emotions. You decide when you want to be upset. You decide when you want to be pissed. You decide when you want to be happy. Don't give that power to anyone else. Not even people who love you. Not your kids, not your husband, not your wife, not your parents. Alright, so Reshma, I hope that helped. Never give the power to anyone else. Okay, how much Himalayan salt should I use while having a bath? Just a handful. Anamika Dutt, loved the way you said bhaad mein jao. Yeah, bhaad mein jao. Like, seriously guys, I wish I could say something else. I would have said it, but Facebook will ban this video. Like, maybe I'll say it on a Zoom live or something like that. Ma'am, are you taking questions about name analysis? No. But it's difficult to practice, need that energy. Yeah, just ask the question of for what would it be like for me to have the energy of Sheila M. Bajaj. And you'll start getting that pagal wala energy in your system. You will get it. फिर थोड़ा ज़्यादा पागल हो गए ना तो मुझे मत बोलना. Okay, Jyotika, how can I get my name checked if it's okay? Please call our office. We do name analysis as well. So call the office. VJ is a rock star. She's my assistant. She's awesome. And call her up and ask her for a name analysis. She's really awesome, guys. Like, I work for her. मैं उसके लिए काम करती हूँ, इतना काम देती है मुझे. इतना काम देती है. And then she's like always telling me, did you finish this? Did you finish this? She's like a taskmaster. But you know, I think I needed that energy. Otherwise, I'm like so haphazard, you know. I need someone like that to ground me. How often do we need salt bath? See, if you have very kich energy, right? If you have lots of nazar and people doing this thing on your head like Reshma's sister, you need salt bath every day, boss. Every day. Like I meet clients, not now, but I used to meet clients every day, right? I used to have salt bath every day. But then I get lazy. I'm really lazy to have salt bath. कौन बैठ के इतना salt डाल के, like you do that initially, but I get really lazy. So I make products because of my laziness. So I actually put the BMR formula into a soap, and I just use BMR soap. And a lot of people ask me, which are your favorite formulas? BMR soap is like my yummiest favorite. And there's also pattern breaking soap, jinx and curse breaking soap. These are my favorite. I just love those formulas. And in a spray form, I personally use Infinite Wisdom and Power. I love that formula because I really love having more wisdom. Master Key, because it helps me master a certain discipline. These are formulas I make myself. I'm the only person in India who makes magic formulas. Okay, so the other thing is one of the other sprays I use. I never use commanding spray. I never use bend over spray because I feel like my energy is already very commanding, and like I make people, you know, like people feel intimidated with my energy anyway. Imagine if I wore like commanding spray. No guys, I never do that. Like I give it to my husband because he has that little halwa energy. So he uses commanding spray and bend over and all. Okay. Yes, ma'am, VJ always responds. She always gets back to our queries even if she's really busy. Lot of gratitude. Yes, VJ is amazing. She's so patient, it's not funny. How to get these sprays? Please go to shop.sheila.com and you can buy them, or you can go on Amazon. We also have an Amazon account. I don't know if, I'm not very sure if sprays are available, but if you're in Bangalore, you can get it Dunzoed. Get a Dunzo pickup done, alright? Or you can come to the Temple of Miracles, which is our office, and you can actually pick it up. You can actually see, smell, touch, feel. So like I said, the salt bath, I don't do salt bath every day. I'm very lazy, but I sometimes, when I really need a cleansing, like today was 5th dimensional healing day, I needed to have like super clean aura. So what I did is I make a special salt for myself, which is a, you know, like BMR salt kebab and jinx breaking bath kebab. And I mix that, and you come out of the bathroom. Like jinx breaking bath is what we do before rituals. Jinx breaking bath is like you'll walk out of a bath shivering, freezing, and you'll be numb. Like you will be frozen for half an hour. You'll just be like, and you'll be like, you know, you'll be thoughtless. So that's how much it just wipes out and like resets your energy. If I change my husband's name, he won't write it for 108 days. What can I do? Can I change it? Yes, you can. But he'll need to at least change it on social media. Otherwise, it's no use. Please don't waste your money if he's not receptive to it. I take bath 3 times a day. Should I always use salt each time? No. Sahib, no. If you're using BMR salt, please use it only once a day. You cannot use salt 3 times a day. But you can use our formulas, like our soaps, 3 times. You can use BMR soap once, you can use road opener soap once, and you can use jinx and curse breaking soap once. So the interesting story about jinx and curse breaking soap is when I created that formula, you know, I don't have any like bad luck or any such thing, right? Like I'm always clearing up my stuff. But I'm the number 4, so there's that going on. But when I created that formula, I test out every formula before I kind of launch it. So I started using that formula for some time, and then I started a business in Africa. So it almost like breaks even stagnancy, or it even breaks monotony in your life, boredom, or like just blah, you know. So I just love that soap, guys. Jinx and curse breaking soap or pattern breaking soap is like an upgraded formula of that. It's a little different. So anyone can pick up pattern breaking soap, jinx and curse breaking soap. You know, it's yummy. It's nice. That's my favorite. I use only BMR and jinx and curse breaking soap. But never use salt bath thrice a day, guys. Please don't overdo the salt bath. You can use 3 different soaps. You can use Crown of Success spray. That's another hot selling one. Like people use bend over, and like सामने वाले आदमी का बोलती बंद हो जाएगा. None of these products can make any harm anyone. Okay, they cannot harm anyone. Okay, Namrata Sahu, what is 5D healing in Telegram? Just saw a link here. Yes, it is a fifth dimensional healing. It is very subtle, pure, powerful, high vibrational energy. Please go back to this video to know what it is. Can't find you on Telegram. VJ is lovely. Yes, she's lovely. I love VJ. I just tell her I love you so many times. Tried calling you on the number, but no one is answering. Okay, it is not office hours now, guys. Sorry, we work 10 to 7 o'clock, so please call during those times. Otherwise, VJ will get calls at 4 o'clock in the morning. Sach mein. So I tell her to keep her phone on silent. Where do we get those soaps? In our office. Okay, till we buy your soap, can we use any other salt? You can use Senda Namak. Okay, do you also use Bendover soap? I don't use Bendover formula. I don't use Commanding. I don't use Crown of Success because I just feel like I don't have a need for it. But my husband uses Crown of Success. He uses Commanding, uses Bendover because his energy is very halwa. Like he's very, very calm, soft. Anyone who knows Vaishak will say, you know, he's this, like he's not assertive, yeah. So he uses that, you know, you depends, whatever you need you'll use. I use Infinite Wisdom and Power and I use Master Key formula. That is also when I'm not lazy. But what do I use on a regular basis? I use BMR soap, pattern breaking soap, jinx and curse breaking soap, one of those. And what else do I use? Sometimes, like when I'm going like for a meeting or something, a business related meeting, I'll use certain amulets. And sometimes if I need to crack a deal or something, Crown of Success, sometimes I use it. But I end up usually borrowing it from like someone, whoever I'm going with, because anyone whom I work with, they all have everything that I have. What is that? I'm not even getting the questions here. Do you have Bendover soap? Yes. Okay, so there's a difference between a spray and a soap. Now I always suggest people, all formulas are available in soap, spray, oil, powder form. There are 4 different categories that everything is available. I have over 125 products. Okay, that was the last time I checked them. I don't know how many I have now, and I make all this myself. Packaging is done by other people. Now for disintegrating formulas or cleaning formulas, I like the soap. Like for road opener, jinx and curse breaking, pattern breaking, you know, breaking, cleaning, DMR, all this is cleaning. I like the soap. But for energizing formulas, like where, you know, somebody is giving you a boost of energy, I like to recommend and use the spray. So frankly, I don't suggest people to use a Crown of Success soap. But you know, a lot of people online want the Crown of Success soap because they just like, you know, I don't know, online shopping, something. So, you know, a lot of people on my online store order for Crown of Success soap, but I would prefer BMR soap and Crown of Success spray. I hope you guys got it. I am lazy, ma'am, and have very less energy. What do you recommend? Do start doing the BMR salt bath. First of all, guys, BMR salt bath, BMR soap. You start using these 2 things, you'll actually get little body pain here and there, you know. Ma'am, is it still possible to get some positivity from moon tonight? Yes, it is. Join the 5D healing and do the full moon meditation on YouTube. When we as new parents are in major trouble. Okay, I'm getting like some random messages. Do you have anything for mother-in-law? Okay, there's something which is called Family Fix. It's very similar to a formula called Boss Fix. But because you're, you know, your family, it sweetens the relationship, but also kind of, you know, tones down a nasty boss, nasty mother-in-law. So you can use that. Family Fix. There's a formula, there's a powder and an oil. Okay, please help me join the 5D healing group. The link is on Facebook page, please guys. It's there. Okay, salt bath can be used in kids. Yes, just mix the salt in water, bathe. Yes. You can also just take the salt like this so you don't use too much, because very difficult to make the salt, guys. So I tell people to use little and then just scrub it on your body. Okay, so if mother-in-law has to, kya ye? Okay, my battery is going to die any minute now. These things like really eat up your battery. If mother-in-law, I don't understand that question. Thank you so much. I did the ritual. It was great, and immediately I got good news after a long time. Good for you, darling. Is it possible to get products delivered? Yes, Dunzo works. Nidhi, I think couriers have also opened up. 5D healing not accessible on Telegram. It is. It is accessible. Please just download Pele. Okay, so if mother-in-law has to bend over us, should we use a soap or spray? No, you will use bend over spray so that you kind of are able to, she's not able to dominate you. All right, that's how it works. Okay, guys. Aruna Singh says that she's in London. How to get product? You can get it couriered. What do we do to stimulate the money element? Please get an element reading. You can get it done with me. Call VJ, get an element reading done. All right, you can get it done with Janki, Ekta or Riya as well. Okay, so there's also group manifestation and prosperity ritual happening. Somebody will post the link there. You can join that, get it done. Riya does it. She's mentored by me. So you can get that done if you want something manifested. You can do the Tej Patta Wala ritual that I mentioned. Please don't ask me any more questions on the 5D group. I'm not going to answer it. The healing happens at 11 o'clock. The energy exchange is 600. People who want to participate, you're most welcome. All right. Any other questions about the 5D healing, guys? I'm going to go offline. I'm very hungry. बहुत भूख लगी है. मैंने खाना नहीं खाया अभी तक. It's amazing how you give this much time again and your views on this platform. I love doing live videos. मुझे बहुत मजा आता है. I really enjoy them. Okay, so what ritual? I just joined live session. Pooja Mahajan, please watch this video again. Go back. This will be posted on my wall. Please watch it. After the salt scrub, should we put water again? Okay. How do you do a salt bath? You will take salt. You will scrub it on your body. You will put water and then you will use soap. Please don't keep the salt like that. बहुत खुजली होगा आपको. And then you will be calling me and saying मुझे rash हो गया है. No. Oh my God, crazy. Never do that. Guys, don't overdo using the salt. Just take the salt in your hand, like how you take besan and you scrub. That's it. Simple. Don't try to dump salt in the bucket. Like you'll be using a lot of salt. I'll be making a lot of money. Don't waste so much salt. Just a handful. Itna sa, like one muthi bar salt is more than enough for the entire body. Like one handful. Okay? Please don't waste salt. Okay guys, I'm gonna go eat my dinner now, and I hope all of you got answers to your questions. This live video is meant for all the 1,000 million billion questions that were coming on the 5D group. I hope people got an answer to their question, and I'm trying to see why this battery pack doesn't work and it doesn't have charge. Okay, so I'm gonna go now, and if you have any questions, you can ask here, or you join the 5D group, ask. But today's thing is 5D healing. Okay, 11 o'clock. So see you there. I love you all. And if you're not doing 5D, it is fine. Please do the full moon meditation on my YouTube channel. All right. I love you all. Bye. Don't forget to meditate. Keep yourself healthy, happy. And Manita says, does Epsom salt work? Yes, it does. It's not the best option, but it works. Sheila, your live video is a combination of entertainment and information. I'm going to take that as a compliment. Bye guys. Good night. Oh wait, Bhavna saying no, wait please. Tell, is it important to lie down? You can lie down, you can sit, you can do whatever you want. You don't have to sit and meditate. I don't make people sit and meditate. Ambika says go eat, thank you. Okay, so if anyone has questions about the full moon meditation, just join the 5D group. All of the admins are there. They will answer your questions. And my phone's running out of battery, guys. Alright, and my battery pack is running out of battery. So obviously it's time for me to go. Bye, good night.